Okay, so and we and me and Charanya were discussing about Resemble.ai, which is another kind of a competitor, right? So this is also helpful for AI generated voices for Alexa, AI generated voices for film, AI generated voices for Google, AI generated voices. I mean Google in the sense it's Google Home like Alexa, right? And AI generated voices for your brand, etc., etc. So this is also a pretty good thing. They have, I heard, they also have here digital characters, correct? For example, like apart from the ones like Obama, Ellen, and all this stuff, which I want to show you first, and then I'll tell you this. For example, Homer from Simpsons cartoon, this one animation. Let's just play this. Hold on.
Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. How many pickled peppers did Peter Piper pick?
Pretty good, right? Let me show Ellen.
The worst part of my job is flying around the world, being away from my family just to record 10 minutes of audio for an ad.
Wow, that was superb. And realistic voice cloning. So they also have something like a Lyrebird itself, where they give you sentences and then you can record the voices, correct? And but here they say that you can start off with only 10 minutes of data. 10 minutes of data, you can use that voice to iterate and create dynamic content. Just 10 minutes, which is a huge difference from the Lyrebird, this one, right? And they also have fictitious voices, which is kind of a game changer here. So fictitious voices are something like you can create the content and give a illusionary voice, which is like illusionary, like a storyteller voice. Like you can call this illusionary lady 22 years from California, or you can call one guy say 18 years from India or something like that. And you can also define what is your voice style, like affectionate, emotional, or a person who cries too much, or a person who is very happy too much, or angry person. You can define the emotional criteria of that person. And API for developers also they provide, where you can have, which is a huge quality here. I'll tell you what is a huge feature here, where you can use Resemble.ai in your applications. Right, that is also very good. So Resembleizer, the open source Python package that they have here, that is fine. So there are some things that are made with Resemble that you can see here. Some things are actually made with Resemble here. So that this is a complete tutorial on how this works. The characters are this is the narrative voice I was talking about. Then you have different stuff. I'll just show you the narrative voice. Give me a minute. Just to show you this.
Obama formally announced his candidacy in January 2003.
That is pretty good, right? So these kinds of, you can build your own voice also, AI generated voice, or you can use a fictitious voice, correct? And this will help you to actually overcome all the challenges that you have in recording or cloning voices for that matter. And even in your games, you can use that particular voice. Digital characters, you can use your voice. Personalization, you can use the voice. So you can keep it yours, and you can exclusive voice for you. That is very good for you to actually go ahead and create a voice profile and all this, right? So you can just sign in and you can start off this process. Click on clone your voice also, you can start off this process, right? So Resemble.ai, the next game changer in voice cloning and revolutionary technology, right? In the next video, I'm going to tell you, I'm going to give you a bonus lecture on something which is very, very amazing, wonderful, incredible. Let's look at the next video for that matter.